something different for you guys, and it's a cooking edition. Basically, quick meals for uni students or bachelors or anybody that just can't cook to save their life. This is under 30 minutes and I hope you enjoy it. Watch through the video step by step, process by process on how this goes so you don't burn down the house. So, first of all, I'm going to introduce you guys to my ingredients. So here I have pepper, I have Knorr cubes, everybody knows that as Maggi. There's some diced onions, I have salt, I have curry, thyme, mixed vegetables, nobody has time to cut. So this is the best. So guys, this is pepper and onion in paste form. And this is tomato sauce in paste form. I'm actually just going to use both onions because it gives it some sort of flavor. So this is easy for anybody. Instead of going through the hassle of blending your tomato, you can just use a bit of Tom Tasty or Tasty Tom, whatever it's called. And I have my main ingredient, pasta, spaghetti. I have here with me chicken diced, already boiled, and my oil. Basically, this is a quick pasta meal for spaghetti lovers like myself. So I already have boiling water with oil in here because you don't want your pasta to stick together. And we are just gonna get this open. I always break my pasta. Nobody's got time for it to like cook one side and not cook the other side. So for safety reasons, just break the pasta already. I'm just going to move things around to create space for myself. This meal, it could be for just yourself, it could be something for you and your friends, but it's quick and easy. I already washed my hands off camera, so you have to do that before you start cooking, to be honest. You don't want to spread germs. I think I'm cooking for like 3 to 4 people, so I'll just as well use the whole pack of pasta. And if we don't finish it, you can always store in your refrigerator for lunch to school. So this you can cook the day before uni, have it for dinner, also have it for lunch the next day. I don't know how you take your carbs, but it's not that big of a deal. So this is important ingredient also. It's a fork, it's a utensil, but it's an ingredient for today. So basically, we're just gonna let this boil for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna cover it and I'll keep checking on it, but till then, let's wait. So it's just been about 10 minutes now. You don't really want your pasta to get so soft while boiling. It's already going soft. So I'm just gonna take it off, put it in the sleeve, and then start with the wok. So now we're going to put this on. Get some oil into the pan. Yeah, that's okay. You should always have kitchen roll by your side to wipe your hands if you touch water. I don't like cooking messy, to be honest. Okay, so before you put anything into your hot oil, you'll have to make sure you're ready because the oil is gonna splash. So I'm just gonna open all my unopened ingredients because nobody has time to get burnt. I'm gonna pour in diced onion, and this is optional because you already have the paste. So tasty tom, that's the tomatoes, after the pepper and onion has gone in. So I've just reduced the heat because of oil popping. I don't want to get burnt. So basically after this, you start putting in your spices or ingredients one after the other. I don't really measure my spice, but then I feel like you can just put a little of everything, not too much, and along the line you'd learn what's enough and what's not enough. And if you guys noticed, I did not put any salt in my pasta prior to this, and so you have to taste. Do you understand? While you're cooking, you always have to continually taste what you're doing. Okay, first of all,
Are you gonna add water into that?
yeah, I'm gonna add water, and the water can be cold or warm. That's just your choice. So I'm just gonna take water from here and do this first. So the thing is, the spices are left because when I add the pasta, I'm still going to add more spice. Basically, this is the sauce spice, and there's going to be pasta spice. So now we bring in the main ingredient, which is what? Spaghetti. We're just going to get the pasta into the wok. Make sure your hand is clean, people, especially if you're not the only one eating the food. Just going to take carefully, turning this. Okay. Keep turning till it's evenly distributed. Sorry, but if I say so myself, it looks nice.
It does already.
It better taste nice. I don't know if anybody noticed that I haven't put in my chicken or my mixed veg. The mixed veg would get soft easily, so if you don't want it too soft, you put it towards the end of the cooking process. And the chicken has been pre-boiled and even microwaved before now because it was in the freezer, so it's just gonna take a few seconds to get heated or to all add up together. So I'm just gonna taste this sauce. So I don't think there's any need to add any pepper to this, but do you like pepper? I guess I'll add it. It's not that spicy.
It doesn't have to be too spicy, to be honest.
It's not even
It's just there.
yet. So we're going back again with all our spices. So we have as an African mother to be, you need to know how to crush it. You get? Do you understand?
Forget me.
Show more age me.
Oh, sorry, y'all.
No playing with nobody's child here. This is no child's play. Okay, so the color is getting deeper and deeper into, so it's not white spaghetti anymore, it's now jollof spaghetti. And depending on the spices you have, you might have all-purpose seasoning, you might have jollof seasoning, you might have like normal seasonings, but I decided to do only the basic seasonings that everybody should have in their cupboards. So I'm gonna throw in my chicken now. I don't know why we're being stingy with the chicken.
It's gonna get me saying all that.
Yeah, it's no problem. You can always add anything of your choice. It could be sardines, it could be chicken, it could be sausages, it could be meat, pork, whatever it is. Just throw it all in. It works the same way. So last but not the least is my mixed veg. I'm not going to put too much, just a bit. I think that's okay for the pasta. Basically, now you know the drill. Just mix, turn, mix, turn, mix, turn till it's evenly distributed, as I said from the beginning. I love the way it looks. What do you think?
Looks good.
Looks good. So before it all dries up, I'm actually not going to let this dry. I like when the spaghetti is a bit juicy. You just do this. Take it out. This is good. Very good. So people, students, that's the end of our spaghetti class. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to click on the like button, comment down below what you want me to make in my next Ore Cooks, and do not forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a family, tell a family. See you guys next time. Adios.